students. Today's topic is IoT challenges and levers. IoT challenges. There are four challenges. Challenge one is security and personal safety. Very high rated and most important challenge. The more number of devices are used in the IoT, the more is the challenge. User data could be vulnerable for theft. People's personal safety is a concern as challenge too, like implants, sensors. Since many devices are in the loop, one device, if getting attacked, rest of the devices could also be attacked. Poor security features can let the attackers damage the whole network. So here we are having the two challenge, data security and personal safety. The next challenge is privacy. You could be tracked, monitored by anyone as you are connected 24 by 7 in the internet. You could be tracked without your permission in place. So there is a threat. How do we deal with it? It is a challenge for sure. So for privacy, this is the biggest challenge. Challenge 3 is data extraction from complex environment. How to sense information, that is, measure the data from the complex environment. For instance, how to sense the data, temperature, humidity, etc. during transport from a transport vehicle. Assume a very temperature sensitive material is being transported to the hilly area and there the network availability is a challenge. So if suppose during that part the network is not available, I could not able to get the proper temperature sensed by the data. So during that complex environment, uh, availability of the proper infrastructure, functioning of the IoT device may be doubtful. Next challenge, challenge 4, connectivity. The requirement of wired and wireless connectivity as discussed earlier. Usage frequency spectrum is also to be remembered. For example, 2.4 gigahertz band is the free band in everywhere, but getting that network connectivity at remote places, to the hilly area, that availability or the signal could be the problem. The fifth challenge is power requirement. All of the IoT devices need power. Most of them are battery operated. So, uh, if the long lasting batteries are available, then it's good. So now, however, the demand for power is ever on rise and usage of green power resources like solar, wind is to be motivated. Next challenge is complexity involved. IoT is not easier. It needs a lot of different domains to come together, limited expertise in the market due to rapid growth. The toolkits, software, hardware are not abundant. So these are the challenges of the IoT. The next challenge is the storage, that is a cloud. Cloud is becoming mandatory because the volume of data generated will be voluminous. The problem is which cloud to use, how to identify the perfect cloud, how much does it cost, do we really need cloud? So these things to be answered before implementation of any IoT system. The next topic we will switch over to the levels of IoT. With the amount of complexity involved, one could categorize the IoT as level 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. We shall start with the simplest of the label, that is label 1. What can be this? Have one sensor, device to sense, like temperature, pressure, etc. The data to be stored locally, data analysis to be again done locally. Monitor control can be done through an application like web app or APK. This is used for simple application with limited complexity or no complexity. Data is not huge, means not a big data here. All the controls will happen through internet, like air conditioner, having a temperature sensor, collected the data and analysis, and control and monitoring action through the mobile. Label 2. Here the data is definitely voluminous, means the frequency of the sensing done is by sensor is faster. The cloud storage is preferred as data is huge. Analysis done locally. Cloud is meant only for storage. Based on the data analysis, the control action can be triggered through the web app or the mobile application. Some examples could be agriculture application, room freshening solution based on odor, etc. Like air conditioner with temperature, humidity, moisture sensor, and sending the data every minute to the cloud, and control and monitoring action will be taken to the mobile. The next challenge will be level 3. The data is definitely voluminous. The frequency of sensing done, wait a minute. Next level is level 4. Here, the data is definitely voluminous, means the frequency of sensing done by sensor is faster. But multiple nodes are here and they are independent of each other. They upload data to the cloud, means all sensors are shown shall be uploading the read sensory inputs. Like here we have shown the example of temperature sensor, moisture sensor, pressure, temperature, humidity sensor. All three are sending the data on the cloud, and cloud storage is preferred as data is huge. Analysis is done in the cloud itself, and application is totally cloud based. Based on the data analysis, the control action can be triggered through the web app or the mobile app. Now the level 5 IoT. Here the data is definitely voluminous, means the frequency of sensing done by sensor is faster. Also, multiple nodes are there and they are independent of each other. The data is collected by the coordinator node and sent to the cloud. Here, the cloud storage is preferred as data is huge. Analysis done in the cloud. Application is totally controlled by the cloud-based. Computationally very intensive, real-time. Based on the data analysis, the control action can be triggered through the web app or the mobile application. Thank you. So what we have understood, we have sense the information, transport it, store it, analyze it, and control action would be taken and information is shared. Thank you.